uno look good. Comrades, uno stay good. Comrades, we feel good. Comrades, I greet you on behalf of the National Caucus of PNP Councillors. Here standing is your leaders. Make some noise for the persons who are fighting the fight for you out there. Look on the gully side. Wanna see anything to smile about? Look at the conditions of our parochial roads. Wanna see anything to smile about? Comrades, we come to you at a time when our country is at its most unclean state. Garbage, garbage, and garbage everywhere, comrades. Rat infestation, dirty municipal capitals. Comrades, it's a dirty state. Comrades, it seems as if this government does not understand that cleanliness is next to godliness. Comrades, the time has come for us to lay the blame squarely at the feet where it belongs. Comrades, it is no time for us to remind the NSWMA of what their mandate actually is. Their mandate is to take all necessary steps to effect the management of solid waste, thereby safeguarding public health, ensuring that waste is collected, stored, transported, recycled, and reused, or disposed of in an environmentally friendly way. Comrades, are the ACT. That's their jobs, comrades. They have failed, especially at a time where there's an increase in property tax payment. Your property tax dollars, yours and yours and yours, taxpayers. You are the fuel. You are the taxpayers. What are they using our monies for? So, comrades, let me ask you a question. When you give a man a job, and him fail to fulfill him job, what you do with him? What you do with him? And we are going to fire them. Comrades, because time has come. Comrade, we commit as a PNP that when we form government, we will transform the waste management sector built on the tenets of reuse, repurpose, and recycle. Timely collections, comrade, will be a standard on which we will be measured. We will ensure that our local authorities play a more critical role in this regard. Instead of being held at a risk of public health, we will make sure, comrades, that the sector is an asset through waste energy and related strategies. Time come for a cleaner and healthier Jamaica, comrades. Comrades, your councillors were promised allocations to effect drain cleaning. Promise made and not kept, comrades. To date, comrades, not a drain cleaned in this active hurricane season. It begs me to wonder, comrades, if this government is serious about taking care of our nation. Time come, comrades, for accountability. Comrades are wrapping up, but we can't stop there. Parochial revenue funds, comrades, designated to be sent to each municipality the last working day of each month, comrades, has been delayed for the past 3 months. Time come for us to get an answer. No wonder, comrades, the roads you're driving on are in a deplorable condition. You're driving through riverbeds, comrades. Time come. Comrades, in closing, I cannot close without informing you about an atrocity committed to our children. As councillors, we were committed that a program dubbed Own Your Own Device would come on stream, thereby seeing over 2,000 children benefiting from much needed tablets. Comrade, that has been put on indefinite hold. Poor people, Pitney, can't get no tablet to do their schoolwork. Comrade, that is the government that we have dealing with. We need to fix it. So comrades, I